If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha! Aloha, our keto friends. It's Maria and Kai in the kitchen, and we are going to show you how to make easy bacon breakfast pie. It is so delicious. It is featured in the Carnivore Cookbook, right, my friend?
Yeah.
It is really, really good. You could also find the recipe at mariamindbodyhealth.com. And what you're going to do is start with a pie pan, and it's super duper simple. What we're going to do is we're going to put about 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I like extra sharp cheddar. Not all, well, 3/4 of a cup. We'll just do all of it here. Into the bottom of the pan. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and we're using our Cuisinart air fryer that also has a bake option. And we're just spreading this out, and that's going to be your crust. Super, super simple and very, very delicious. And I'm going to put that into the oven for a few minutes while we prepare the eggs. There we go. Into the oven it goes. Close that up. Okay, Kai, now we're going to crack 8 eggs into a big bowl. Can you do that?
Yeah. Cold eggs.
Very good. They were in the fridge. And I'm going to open up my bacon that doesn't have any sugar in it. Click the link below to find sugar-free bacon mailed to you for way cheaper than you can get in the stores. It's delicious. And that's going to be the weave on the top. So you're going to crack 8 eggs into there, and then you're going to use your Redmond real salt, season that baby up. And if you click the link at the bottom, you save 15% on Redmond salt. And we're going to add like a teaspoon. Here we go. And if you're not a strict carnivore, you can add a little bit of green onion. Green onion has less starch than regular onion. So we're going to add a little bit of that. And we need a fork to stir it up. Good job, Mr. Kai. Just try to get the eggs in the bowl, not on the floor. You got all of them?
Yeah.
All right, you did. So I'm just gonna mix this up. Mix, 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 mix. And in about 3 minutes, the cheese will be melted. So we might jump the gun a little bit and pull it out. Okay, Kai? That looks good. Excuse me, buddy. I'm gonna move this aside. And then take this out. Yep, the cheese is melted.
Yeah.
That's going to be our crust. I'll close this up while I get this ready.
Yeah.
Okay, don't touch that because it's going to be hot. And then I'm going to pour the eggs right over the crust. There we go.
Now.
We almost could have done a few more eggs. Oh well. It calls for 8 eggs. So then we're going to take the bacon out, and I know you don't like bacon, so I can do it if you want. And I'm going to start doing a bacon weave where you go over and under and over and under. So I'm going to do 2 like this. Let's see. I'll just kind of do it like that. Realize that the bacon will shrink as it cooks. Yeah, that looks nice.
It gets crispy.
It gets crispy. That's why you want it on at 400. Oh, I like that a lot. Doesn't that look nice?
Yeah.
I wish this one was over it. Oh well, we're not going to mess with that because that wouldn't be perfect. So we have 6 pieces of bacon crisscrossed along the top, and I'm going to put it back into the 400 degree oven, and we're going to have that cook for, let's see, 22 minutes, and we'll catch you back in a little bit.
Aloha.
Okay, everybody, our breakfast bacon pie is finished, our easy bacon pie. And what's cool about it is it puffs up, almost like a souffle. And so it's gonna fill the pan. So just so you know, it's gonna get bigger. Look at that, it looks like a souffle. It is absolutely delicious. The bacon is cooked all the way through, nice and crispy on some of the edges. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. It is so delicious. You want to impress your mom. You say, Mom, I'm going to make you a pie. And she'll say, what? And then you make this. And she would be so impressed and proud of you. You make this for your family. And remember, if you share this recipe, this YouTube video, I have so many books because all of my book signings have been canceled. I will mail you copies of my books. You tag me on Instagram or Facebook. You could win a book. Mahalo, everyone.
Mahalo. Sharing is caring. Share this video